Hi and welcome to Hairy Ender 3 again. Glad you can join me. Don't forget, subscribe, comment, tick the like button, press the bell if you want any notifications, and the most important of all, comment. Have you got a problem? Do you need a bit of help? Or do you think my video's crap? Even so, any of the above, please comment. What we're going to do today, lint-free cloth. If you can find some. If not, don't worry about it. Yeah, it's starting to squeak. Let's change the cloth. Hi there! Can you see me now? You can, can't you? And why is that? Because it's clean. We use glass because it's smooth and it gives you that nice shiny finish on your PLA, your Ninja Flex, your metal composite ones, all sorts of things. Right, now make sure when you're applying your Pritt stick or glues of another manufacturer, as nobody gives me any Pritt stick free, I ain't gonna advertise just Pritt stick for them. What I'm gonna do is now I'm gonna put it on in a pattern, and the reason why I'm keeping moving, because when you get to the end, if you stop and start, you end up with more layers than you really want. Going to the outside, and that's about as much as the bed I use. Just making it nice and even. Right, so that is it. That's all I do. And then I just wait for it to dry. Hello in there, in YouTube land. Hello, hang on a minute, just clean my lens. It looks a bit scruffy, it's scratched. Heads. After we've slaughtered them. With the glue stick, I use Pritt stick, but there is many other types of glue stick available on the market if you wish to purchase them. Whether they work the same, can't answer you, but Pritt stick works for me. But you do end up with quite a mess on your board. This has also got hairspray on as well, which I can't seem to get to work. So when I do, you'll be first to know which one I use. So, how do we get rid of Pritt stick on your Ender 3 bed? Right, let's get down to the nitty gritty of this. First of all, washing bowl. This is not going to take very long for all them people that can't get it off. Right, doesn't matter if it's on your original bed, if you've had problems with sticking. By the way, when you come to remove your product from your original bed, please let it get down to 27 degrees or below. It won't come off very well until it gets down there. You'll use your scraper and you'll end up damaging your nice bed that comes with it. It works very well, it's flexible, but you will damage it in the end with your scraper. I've gone to glass. Why have I gone to glass? I wanted a smoother finish, but I couldn't get it to actually stick. So, next thing you'll require is a kettle with pretty hot water in it. Right? Pretty hot water. Now, depending on what glass you use, be careful of the heat. You don't want to break your glass. This is just hot water, right? Hot water. We're going to go across. What are you doing, Buggerlugs? Sorry, that's my cat. And as it heats up, you'll see it's just, look, there it goes, look, it's now just gone because it's water soluble. So because it's water soluble, get off the kettle. I'll just say hello to my three-legged Bog. Hello, Mog. How you doing? Eh? How you doing? You come for a bit of Ender 3 study? Eh? It's boiling water, you silly old bugger. Right, so I'm going to put that in there. I haven't covered it for one reason. Now look, you can see it. It's just solid there, look. Won't come off. This just comes straight off with a bit of hot water because it's water soluble. So what we're going to do now is first of all start with a very clean bowl. You don't want anything to get on. After you've finished all this, you don't want anything to get on it. All I'm doing is just wiping the hot water over my glass, and as you can see, it's just coming straight off. It's just coming straight off the glass, and so is the hairspray. So it doesn't matter if you use hairspray. There's going to be such a noise in a minute because my stupid Moggy is going to be knocking stuff off any second. What are you doing, Bull? Get off. Right, so as you can see, it's all gone. And there ends the lesson of today. I can't say that all these glues come off this easy. This is why I use Pritt stick. Just put it to dry. It does work exactly the same on your normal bed as what it does on here. Like I say, if you found that helpful, please comment, subscribe, say hello. And that's it. Removing glue stick off your printer bed. If things aren't sticking to this one, then you can use Pritt stick on that. Please don't forget to subscribe, comment, share, press the bell and comment and all that sort of thing. Anyway, I'm going to say goodbye and happy printing. See you, folks.